BI4Web is an analysis tool and publication of information based in web architecture. Through this video, we are presenting the user interface which BI4Web Viewer incorporates. The user can gain access to his info through his internet usual browser to the URL address which your system administrator will show you, and filling an access form up where your username as well as your password will be required. Once required data has been placed, the user can display two areas clearly distinguished in the browser. In the left side are shown all roles assigned by the system administrator to the user. Each role will have incorporated as analysis documents, underscore cards, dashboard, queries, reports, as options the user has got. In the right side of the browser will be present the contained info in each analysis document. An analysis document is a data suite present by chart components which give solution to the user info needs. Through these chart components, the user will be able to interact with the data in an easy and flexible way. BI4Web supplies all necessary tools to build scoreboards easily that strengthen the info from different actions areas of your company in an only analysis document. In this example, it's possible to see the profit and loss status and to observe the tendency of situation at the end of the financial year. Through chart representations as a state way or as a scaled way, you have the capacity to know how it's positioned in relation to fixed business goals. The incorporation of selection filters or helpers will allow to the user to show to BI4Web the basic data for the defined analysis documents. The incorporation of graphics will allow us to know the variation of magnitudes that represent the situation, evolutions, annual comparatives, distributions, tendencies, and so on. In this example, we'll take the wanted financial year in order to BI4Web shows the info in the analysis document. BI4Web incorporates a set of geographical maps for a chart representation of the required situation divided up by action areas such as sales pitch, goals, dispersals, and so on. The components that BI4Web incorporate have the drill down feature. In this example, it's possible to see how to choose an area into the geographic map in order to access to the information in detail. At the same time, different chart components from the same analysis document can interact to each other. If an area from the geographic map is selected, it's possible to see how the rest of chart representations are updated in connection with the selection carried out. The user always has available a pull-down menu in a quick access way to all reports which are open during his BI4Web Viewer session. Through components which allow to carry out that kind of actions, the info can only be analyzed detecting the wanted content to a suitable prospect for the info analysis. We also have the possibility to select the info of each one of the concepts which are in the analysis document. The BI4Web drill down feature allows to access from a global prospect of the info until to connect analysis documents that incorporate in minute detail. BI4Web also incorporates a powerful reporting tool which allows the creation of documents that strengthen info from different databases. This tool is mainly put into practice for invoices lists, orders, product brochures, and so on. BI4Web allows the classic representation of data lists that symbolize the outstanding info into lines and column format. The user will be able to assemble, to classify and to link the data which is in the browser in an easy and flexible way. BI4Web allows to incorporate buildings, drawings, geographical maps, personalized maps, and so on, and to define on them directly status signs which can represent stack levels, activity or machine stoppage, staff access to these places, and so on. This presentation is available to be executed by you on BI4Web.com pressing on the button Demo Online.